Get two more. Feel the burn. Feel. Feel. Beautiful. Get two more. Lunchbox. Curious George, the curious little monkey. Oh, what fun to run and jump and play. Mm, 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 mm. Curious George, the curious little monkey. Mm, 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 mm. Let's go see what he's doing today. Mm, 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 mm. Curious George in a typewriter case. George, I have to go to the police station to solve some mysteries in a typewriter. Let's go. So I hopped in a little blue cart and drove off. Do you know who done it? I'm really not sure. You take care of the typewriter, George, but don't get into trouble. Then George had an idea. There were witches, ghosts, and goblins. All over town. Or robbers, of course. He gave it to Detective Spiff and was on his way to the town.
Yeah, I didn't know you were here. I was sitting here, I saw him on the computer, I thought, oh crap. You doing okay?
I'm good, yeah, how are you?
Have a nice morning.
Thank you, Officer Blake. He must be on his way to the. He must be on his way to town, in the village, to know who done it. George, you look after him. Don't get into trouble. There were no ghosts in the closet, no goblins in the car, no witches on the brooms on the floor. Who's playing a dirty trick? So it was you. I got you now, George. Hang on a second. George was innocent. We got there, but there were no witches on rooms, no goblins in cars, and no ghosts in the closet. Suddenly, George heard a scream. Ah! Just then, it was noticed it was a robber. He bumped the witches, ghosts, and goblins. Thought they weren't real. By golly, you caught them all. You were a hero, George. I don't know how you did it, but you did it, George, said Officer Blake and Detective Spiff. That means you deserve a reward. $1,000,000 to save enough for banana split. We have to go now, said George. So he hopped in the blue car and drove off. The officer and detective went home for a banana split from the mott shop. Eh, 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 eh.